In the Lesson 6.1 example, How Are Teens Different from Turkeys?, we'll review the concepts of parameters and statistics. For each of these examples, let's identify the population, parameter, sample, and statistic. Now recall, a statistic is a number that describes some characteristic of a sample, while a parameter is a number that describes a characteristic of the population. So for part A, a Pew Research Center poll asked 1,102 12 to 17-year-olds in the United States if they have a cell phone. Of those respondents, 71% said yes. So in this example, the population is all 12 to 17-year-olds in the United States. The parameter then would be the proportion P of all of those 12 to 17-year-olds that have cell phones. Our sample is just the 1,102 12 to 17-year-olds that were contacted, while the statistic would be the sample proportion that have a cell phone, or in this case, 71%. So if our parameter is P, we'll say that our statistic is P hat of 71%, and that's our best estimate of the true proportion of all 12 to 17-year-olds with cell phones. Now suppose Tom is roasting a large turkey breast for a holiday meal. He wants to be sure the turkey is safe to eat, which requires a minimum internal temperature of 165 degrees. Tom uses a thermometer to measure the temperature of the turkey breast at 4 randomly chosen points, and the minimum reading he gets is 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Now in this case, the population is all the different possible locations on the turkey breast. The parameter would be the true minimum temperature in all of those possible locations. Now he only selected 4 randomly chosen points, so that would be our sample. Out of all the different possible locations, Tom randomly selected 4 locations. The statistic then would be the sample minimum value of 170 degrees Fahrenheit. For some additional practice with statistics and parameters, try exercise 1.